Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sonic Love. So here we have a introduction to the new Powkiddy X55. Now this is more like it. With the disappointing, well, I found it very disappointing, the RK 2023, we now have X55. I really am looking forward to this one. I love the blue colour, I love the design. It's very reminiscent of the Max 2. So yeah, I know the look and feel of it is going to be really nice. I hope they use the same screen, because even that screen was really gorgeous as well. We have stacked shoulder buttons. If it is anywhere near the Max 2, then it'll be so comfortable. Love to know what you think of this one, guys, and as always, I will have it in soon. Take care.